Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm here at Currambine. I'm going to be filming this trains here. Today is the 28th of March 2022 and the time is 10:08 AM. Clarkson train should be arriving in just about a minute. Perth train just left. That will be in 12 minutes. Now arriving onto platform 2, we have the very squeaky Clarkson service. Front 3 cars, EMU 108. And the rear 3 cars, EMU 89. False start. EMU's 108 and 89 leading a service to Clarkson. There's a false start there, I think twice. Oh, ow. I need to visit the ear doctor. Next train will be a Butler service, I believe, in 10 minutes. We're now arriving on platform 1, we have a Perth service. Front 3 cars is EMU 51. At least it's not squeaky this time. Now leaving platform 1, we have a Perth service. Front 3 cars is EMU 51, rear 3 cars EMU 101. Next train is due in 14 minutes. The Perth and Butler train are crossing each other. Butler service arriving on platform 2. Front 3 cars EMU 103. I believe after this train, the non-service train should come. Front 3 cars EMU 103, rear 3 cars EMU 118. Why did I bring a jumper? It's so hot. It rained like an hour ago. EMU's 103 and 118 leading service to Butler. I just realised there weren't any squeaks, so thankfully I won't have to visit the ear doctor anymore. Well, I was correct. Next train due in 16 minutes. All I'm hoping for is fast trains and green signals. Red signals, it probably will stop at the station. Yellows will go slower, and green it would go at the permitted speed. It will go at the fastest speed that it can go. Just put it in simple terms, it will go the speed limit. Now about to pass platform 2, we have the first in this train. It's very fast. EMU 70 is leading. And EMU 100 is trailing. Now about to rocket past platform 2 again. I believe this one's even faster. We have the second NIS train. EMU 98 is leading. And that's EMU 75 trailing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, everybody.